What's up guys, this is Joynal Abdin Sumon. Welcome to my another brand new After Effects tutorial. Today I will create a beautiful After Effects tutorial. So let's get started. First time I create a new composition. Composition name is Audio Spectrum. Okay, resolution is full HD resolution, frame rate is 25 and duration 29 seconds. Background color is black. Then okay, I import some file. You got this file in description box. Okay, import and drop this file in timeline. Okay, background drop down. Okay, then I take a new solid. Solid name is Audio Spectrum. Okay. Then select the solid and add a effect. Effect name is Audio Spectrum. Okay. Add this effect. See this effect, all setting is here. Okay. Audio layer change in music. Okay, start point is 00, end point is 960. Okay, then end frequency change 130. Okay, end blend is 2000. Maximum height, okay, no, 550. Okay, audio duration is 180. Audio offset -20. Okay, side option is side B. Okay, then I add other effect. Okay, this effect name is polar coordinates. Polar coordinates effect, add this solid, then change it 100. Type of conversion rect to polar. Okay, now see this. Okay, then I add another effect, mirror. Okay, mirror effect, add this solid and change some. Change it 960. Now okay. Then select this solid and go effect, then go generate, then 4 color gradient. Okay, then you can change this color. I take it same to same. You can change this color from here. Then select this solid and take duplicate. Okay, type Ctrl D for duplicate. Okay, then make some changes. Frequency band 150. Maximum height, okay. Duration 140. Thickness is 1.70. Okay, then I add another effect, CC light brush 2.5. Add this solid. Okay, no need to change. Only intensity 400. Okay. Then add glow effect. Glow effect, add this solid. Okay. Then select this solid and duplicate. For duplicate, type Ctrl D. Okay. And delete this and select this solid and delete glow and delete glow. And CC light brush 2.5 delete. Okay. Then select audio spectrum and display option digital to analog dots and thickness 6.5. Okay. Then you can change this color. You can change this. You can choose any color. Okay, now okay. Then I select first and second solid. Okay, then drop down third solid. Okay. Then I add my logo, import my logo. You can import your logo and drop here. Okay. Scale down. Align this. Hold here and press shift. Okay. Okay, select all layer and solid without background and P-compose. Okay. P-compose name is main. Okay. And go project panel and take new composition. New composition name is music. Okay, everything is okay. Then this music file drop down and select this music file. Keyframe assistant, convert audio to keyframe. Then from effect, left channel and right channel is delete. Then go audio spectrum and add magnify effect. Magnify effect, drop down the main composition. Then make some changes. Magnify, take 100. Size 1100. Blending mode normal to none. Okay. Now press the hold button, Ctrl Alt and hold button. Okay, and paste and copy this file. Okay, drop here. Now okay, now my project is ready. Now you can play. I think you saw my full video. If you like this tutorial, you can drop your valuable comment. At last, one request, please subscribe and hit the bell button.